Yeah. Wait afraid. Remember, say we're not afraid of people in the
I would have won for people here.
Sure.
I like on the colors. I like it. Good afternoon. How y'all doing? Where you guys from? MC.
Is that after this? Him.
More for the way my dinner from.
Eh?
Him nothing in front.
No. Not well. Even if him did round about, could I still have to see him?
Yeah,
You see the one?
around the same pedestrian. General, you're here.
No, we're
big up
serious.
yourself.
Excuse me, I forget of the man.
My general is in the yellow shirt.
Yeah.
In here. What's his name? Dominic. Best of yourself, my brother. You're the
yeah.
barber Malice. Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Tuesday, mid-October, the end of the year, and a fast.
Yeah.
Quick and fast. Yeah.
But that just show you, so you have to make the most of the time that you're given,
Yes.
You never know when it's going to do.
Excellent day. I'm glad to say you reach back home.
Yeah.
Leave it right there, sir.
Straight up.
Yeah. All right, guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media. On Instagram and Twitter, it's TVJ_Daytime Live. On Facebook, it's at TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to be a part of our studio audience, log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed or just forward.
And of course, you can catch back episodes via onespotmedia.com. And on YouTube, just search for Daytime Live TVJ. Buzz time on the Rastaman. We'll kick it off.
All right, so we all know that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. However, it seems that Kanye West wanted nobody but himself to be the beholder of his wife. Sadly, Kim Kardashian West had other thoughts, and she wanted the world to see her beautiful figure and outfit at the most recent staging of the Met Gala. Kanye West had a mouthful to say when Kim initially unveiled the dress on the reality show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Let's take a look at how this went.
Give me really bad anxiety. What are you talking about?
Why is that giving you anxiety to say that?
Because you knew last night I was having really bad anxiety and I don't need any more negative energy for you to now say that you're not into me wearing a tight
You
dress.
are my wife, and it affects me when pictures are too sexy.
You built me up to be this like sexy person and confidence and all this stuff.
Yeah.
And just because you're on a journey and you're on your transformation doesn't mean that I'm in the same spot with you. So.
Okay, all right, cool.
More time. That's absolutely ridiculous.
Duffy,
Well,
what do you think? You think Kanye West was right? You think
Yes, me like on the woman, me like on the support me. Power to the people.
Oh, you feel so too?
Well, first of all, I think his name should be Kanye Kardashian. I don't think you can say, you're married into the family.
Yeah.
But I do believe that both of them have points, valid points. I think as a man and a husband, he has a point, and her as a woman and a wife, she has a point. Of course, he married her as a sex symbol and, and being a sexy, and he boosts it up first.
But she never just put out some naked picture on Instagram.
Remember, he had a photo with her naked on a bike with him.
I don't understand.
Yeah, you understand.
So
But
I don't understand.
I'm just saying, people change. Over time, people are going to change.
Yes, I'm
And-
change.
Right, but as a husband,
But why is she for change?
you act like you're the wife, so okay.
No, I don't that, brother. But me have a wife. But how
as-
me meet her, she can stay that way. I'm good.
That's you, but people change over time, and as a husband, he has the right to say, hey, I believe or I feel that you should change. And her...
People
and
change, but that don't give them the right
her
to change people.
No, but her right to say, hey, I don't want to change. But he can ask for it. He can say it.
Who Kanye West did there with before Kim Kardashian?
She's now a
what
married
is it?
woman with a
Amber
child. Amber Rose,
And
congratulations
she's
on
a married
the
woman
birth
with a
of
child
her.
that's still naked.
No, she...
Yeah, man.
So, Craigie, you'd be okay if your wife changed and you didn't want to change?
No, you lose me a while ago.
Right. Kanye
No,
has
so
changed.
you mean if my wife decided that she want to put up naked pictures, if I'd be okay with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if she decides that she wanted that. Man, for what, my wife? Me not mind. That's my wife. Me not a problem with. So hold on. You feel away if you go up on the road with your woman and a man want your woman. You feel away?
Oh, I think your wife will say, but come in, I go say anything, you know, say,
No, but
I will not say anything, you know. When I see your wife, I like my eye, you know, brother. Anyway,
Yeah, they have to be respectful,
their
but in the mind
responses and
not a problem with that.
it is it's an ongoing discussion, but I think it's valid. Now, former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson was rushed to the hospital late Monday evening after a reported motor vehicle accident at his upper St. Andrew home. Now, the extent of his injuries, if any, could not be immediately ascertained. I think it's kind of keeping it close-knit for now. However, in a statement, one of his aides, Alston Stewart, said the incident required Patterson to be taken to the Tony Thwaites wing of the University Hospital of the West Indies for check and observation. He's currently undergoing a complete medical evaluation, and he's conscious and alert, and family and friends are around him, and further information will come out. So I hope everything is fine. But I
Definitely
think
wish him
in
a
a
speedy recovery.
yeah, motor vehicle accident, I'm positively sure that it's just precautionary.
Yeah,
If anything more serious, then
I would
of course,
hope so. Definitely wish him a speedy recovery, though. If it happened at his house, I don't see how it could be
And of
extremely
course, it's the
serious.
Tony Thwaites wing of the University Hospital of West Indies.
Well,
Yes.
PJ Dad still. You don't
Yes.
know that, though.
Not the emergency ward of the
Anyway,
KVH.
Alright, we couldn't go too far with that. Anyway, so Snoop Dogg posted up this photo of rapper Gucci Mane and his Jamaican wife Keisha Kayor. Oh, her name? Kayor. Thank you. Keisha Kayor.
She in a people business.
Right, and what he said is that everyone wants this, but y'all keep forgetting that she was with Wild Gucci, on drugs Gucci, cheating Gucci, in jail Gucci, publicly with other women Gucci. This is Gucci after therapy,
No,
rehabilitation.
this Gucci you're seeing right here.
After therapy, rehabilitation, this is a street man groomed in his 30s after he has been at his lowest. Point is, this is a rider who knew what she signed up for. You women is with the next brother after a couple of fights. Want to feel about that? Now, more I know about the girls then, cause sometimes girls when them see couples and the couple's doing well and them see the woman and man basically and the man is good. And them a pre the relationship. Like them a say, boy, I wish I was her. I wish I had a
And
man
that
like
is
that.
fine. That
Yeah,
is
but-
okay.
Yeah, but them never did it with what a man go through. Them never did it.
All right.
For the big in it, them don't know how them reach that. So how them jump on that.
If you check my Instagram,
Yeah.
this is my last post. I posted it last night, and it sparked a big conversation. Now, I'm sure in the caption it says, Wild Gucci, on drugs Gucci, cheating Gucci, in jail Gucci. But the woman focused on the cheating and the wild Gucci. Of course, this man went through a whole heap of things, and she's stuck by his side. Ride or die. Now, it's okay if you see the finished product and say, as a woman, I want this. But how many women are going to stick through that?
Right. True.
That is the question, you know. And it further open a conversation how loyal are people nowadays. Old school relationships. I'm talking about men and women. As men, how many of us are willing to stick with this woman who has been with us, and after we get certain status, we gone to another woman? I'm just saying.
Yeah, but them thing
Yeah.
are tricky, you know. Everything
It's not
is
tricky, Craigie. It's not tricky.
Yeah, man, it's tricky. Of
It's not
course.
tricky. We're craving.
No, man, it's not so simple, man. It's not so hard and fast, man. Every situation you have to analyze it individually.
Well, between them over there, so she told them, yes. Craving.
All right, hold on. More hear what the audience.
I wish I had
members
a
have to think of.
microphone.
Is there a microphone in the audience?
There's a microphone?
Or who have it?
Where's the microphone?
Would you like to talk? The quiet
quick.
person have it.
I'll do it really quickly now.
I can't
Yeah.
hear.
You don't have anything to say? Just pass the microphone to the twins around there.
Yeah, them have things for say.
Yeah, quickly. Whoa.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Right.
I don't see why a guy has to put a lady through so much for him to then realize that, oh, she's the wife material. I don't see why they have to do that. That's my opinion.
Well,
Okay,
nobody can put nobody through nothing. Still. She decided to stay.
Well, that's true.
But that's what a wife does, though. She sticks. Hey, that's what it. Ching. I'm just saying.
Anybody? Next person. Anybody
You
else?
said something a while ago. You don't wanna? All right, fine. You don't want.
No, she don't want to have it on the microphone.
Somebody's looking on and going, say something.
Yeah, but my thing is though, every situation, you have to pay attention to every situation one by one. Straight up. Because you don't know. Suppose you're with somebody who is just naturally lazy. Right?
Right.
You go through, you make it.
Right.
And them not change.
Good.
Why you must stay?
You shouldn't.
Then that me say.
You shouldn't.
Not because them stay with, suppose them stay with you because them not have no choice. Them not really like you neither, but them just there because them not really want nothing. And you are bringing them money. And you are bringing them money. Yeah, you don't know. You don't know. So every situation you have to assess every situation.
I think loyalty is a forgotten attribute. I mean, my parents have been married for over 40 years. How many relationships in the generation after us are going to be 40 years of marriage?
Right. We have enough time. I don't really trust the loyalty thing. I'm not sure about the loyalty thing there now.
Oh, yeah,
loyalty,
yeah,
people
sir,
throw the word loosely too much.
Sir, what are you saying? You trust that?
No, people throw the word too loosely. I mean, you are loyal to a point. Everybody's loyal to a point, you know. Yeah, you have to know your boundaries and know where you're willing to stop. Because there's a time when you have to say enough is enough. I'm not upon that. It must.
Very
must
true.
Come.
That's true.
Loyalty, the people throw loyalty like it's a blanket thing and you have to just take everything because you're loyal. It don't go so.
But there's a flip side. But you also have people who bail at the first sign of trouble. One conversation,
yeah,
them gone.
You have some chicken for two.
Yeah, man. As the first conversation, all of a sudden take out them phone and go, hey,
Yeah,
what you doing?
Yeah.
What you up to? And then the conversation starts and then the telephone and then the link up and then all of a sudden it's drifting.
Yeah, true.
Old school, I talk about old school movie, the cowboy movie.
Well, the thing is, let me tell you what I want to wrap out now. What I want is people are jumping into big relationship too fast. Stay and know the person before you decide to commit. Yeah, before you leave that. And on that note, Daytime Live will be right back. We'll soon come back with more, but